When clients say that one of my issues is jet lag, or the fact that for a long time I've had a particular sleep cycle, now I need to change the sleep cycle. Okay? So that's where body clock will come into play. Right? It's a good idea to work with them slowly and systematically. So, for example, if a client says that I sleep every day at 4 o'clock in the morning and get up at 12 o'clock, and now I want to sleep at 10:30 in the night, we are asking for too much. Right? Also, going from 4 to 3, 3 to 2 is more difficult. Going from 4 to 6, 6 to 8 is less difficult. So you create a new cycle. If the client says, I want to get sleep at 10 o'clock in the night, don't tell them कि अच्छा अभी आप 4 बजे सोचो तो कल से 3 बजे सुनो. Then we'll sleep at 2 o'clock. That earlier sleeping is actually more difficult. Tell them, all right, now you sleep at 4 o'clock, right? The client says yes. So in the coming days, for the next 3 days, you will not sleep before 6 o'clock in the morning. They will sleep at 6 and they will wake up at probably 3, 4. Right? Then you will say, good. Now that you've slept for 3 days at around 6 o'clock, now for the next 3 days, you will not sleep till 8 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock in the morning. So you play with them in chunks of 2 hours or 3 hours where you delay their sleeping till it reaches a place where they've reached 10 o'clock in the night. And then tell them maintain this.
Okay.
Do you realize what we have done right now?
No, Nitin, but they will be waking up late, no? So if they are sleeping at 8 a.m., then they'll be waking up also late.
So check the cycle. So let's say right now I'm saying I sleep at 4 in the morning. Right? And I wake up at, let's say, 8 hours I sleep. So 12 o'clock. Okay? Now I'll tell the client, next 3 days, you will not sleep at 4 o'clock. You will sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning. So now they sleep at 6. They wake up at 2. Then I'll tell them, now for the next 3 days, you will sleep at 9. And they will wake up at 5. Okay. Now they will sleep at 12. And wake up at 8. So sleep at 3 p.m. Get up at 11 p.m. There would come a point where they will reach a place where they will sleep at 10 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. Right? And you tell them now maintain this. This will be easier to do. If you ask them to sleep earlier, वो नहीं होता है. That becomes very difficult for people. कि नहीं नींद नहीं आती है. So there are a lot of excuses why they can't sleep earlier. You are now forcing them to sleep late till their body adjusts to a new cycle, which is 10 to 6. We are only doing this because there is a huge difference whether the client is sleeping at 4 and wants to sleep at 10. So it kind of is easier to go the next cycle. Dr. Reena, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
Yeah, I just wanted to know, does the body actually agree
to push yourself so much to be awake till 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock is like technically like 36 hours. So will
No,
the
you're not
body
sleep-
support?
No, it's not 36 hours. It's the same time, right? If let's say every day I sleep at 4,
Hmm.
right? I am only stretching my awakeness for 2 hours. I'm sleeping at 6. Now for 3 days, I'm sleeping at 6,
Hmm.
right? So if sleeping at 6 is not a problem, that's my normal routine. Now I'm just stretching it for 3 more hours. So at no point of time are you actually going without sleep much. The only thing that you're doing is you're stretching the sleep and awake cycle by 3 hours.
So the 3 hours the body is able to push till 3 hours more, like 6 p.m. and then 6 a.m. and then 9 a.m. and then 12 a.m.
That a lot of us individuals do, right? So there are so many of us who will say that generally we sleep at 11 o'clock, but वो कभी-कभी movie देखते
Correct.
2 बज जाती है.
Correct,
So
correct. ठीक है. So it's easier to push.
Correct. Which is one. And second, if they are not able to push, let's say even if they push from 9 to 11, 12 की जगह, when they've pushed and they're realizing what is it to be sleepy.
Correct, 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 correct. So this process will take approximately 1 month.
This can take longer depending upon where the client is and where they want to go.
Correct, correct, correct.
Right? But this is still better than not being able to do it.
Yeah, so it's better that to asking if the client is sleeping at 4 in the night, in the morning. So it's better to push it than asking them to sleep early.
Correct. Because those sleep early,
Yes.
they will always say कि नींद नहीं आती.
Correct, correct. Got it, got it.
Also, when we are pushing, right now we are pushing by 2 hours or 3 hours because generally most people will be comfortable with that. Right? I know of people who are actually able to stretch a bit longer. So then the amount of duration will, that time frame you will have to adjust based on what the client is comfortable with.
I have one question.
बोलिए.
Say we are pushing this sleep by 2 to 3 hours, and but the client is still waking up at the same time. तो अगर 4 की जगह 6 बजे वो सोया, वो फिर भी अगर 12 बजे उठ रहा है, then what do we do?
No, we ask them that continue sleeping. Now, if they say that I'm not able to sleep, so ask them what is waking you up at 4 o'clock. Eventually, they would come a point because the body would still require X amount of sleep, right? So they will reach a point where they are sleeping at 9 o'clock and they've got up at 12 o'clock. There would come a day when they would sleep and they will sleep longer after that.
Okay.
Right? Or it may so happen that they will sleep at 9, they may get up at 12 क्योंकि वो आदत है 12 बजे की, लेकिन उस दिन रात को 10 बजे अपने आप नींद आ जाएगी क्योंकि पिछले रात को 3 ही घंटे की नींद पूरी हुई. So that may actually even be faster for you if the client ends up doing something like that.